Good morning, class. So today we are going to start the another one chapter that is some natural phenomena. Okay, so whenever we are talking about the natural phenomena, it means that there is no control of human being in that. Okay, like when there is a very heavy rainfall, yeah, when you can say there is a flood or the drought condition, or you can see the earthquake, lightning, thundering, they all are the natural phenomena in which there is no as such control of human being, or you can say that if human can control them, so there is only a limited extent. Okay, so actually these natural disaster, yeah, natural phenomena are out of control of human beings. Okay, so in the class 7 already we studied about the two natural phenomena. Okay, like landfills, we already slide we already studied in the class 7th. Okay, and in class 7th we studied about the cyclone, tornado, typhoon, different kind of wind related phenomena. Okay, now in the class 8th we are going to discuss two more important natural phenomena. The one is the lightning and the second is the earthquake. Okay, so now let's start the chapter. So, in class 7, you read about wind, storm, and cyclone. You learn that cyclone can causes a lot of damage to human life and property. You also learn that we can protect ourselves from these destructive phenomena to some extent. In this chapter, we are just going to discuss about the two other destructive natural phenomena. The one is lightning and the earthquake. Okay, so now before starting actually what the lightning, first of all I just want to take your attention that have you seen at your home when any two wires are joined to each other, what happened? You see that there is a sparks come out. Okay, yeah, sometime you have seen in the electric poles also, when two wires are connecting to each other, they are giving you the different kind of lightning. Okay, yeah, sparks, so that is called lightning. The same phenomena happens in the sky also, when see that there is a cloudy day and sometimes rain is coming. That time you see that lightning is coming from the sky also. Okay, so in this chapter lightning, we are just going to cover that what can the lightning can do, and how can we control this lightning, how can we save ourselves from this lightning, and actually how this lightning produces. That is very important. Okay, so now let's start the lightning. You might have seen a spark on the electric poles when wires become loose. This phenomena is quite common when wind is blowing and shaking the wires. You might also have seen sparks when a plug is loosened in its socket. Lightning is also an electric spark, but on a huge scale. In ancient time, people did not understand the cause of these sparks. They were therefore afraid of lightning and thought that this is the wrath of God was visiting them. Now, of course, we can understand that lightning is caused by the accumulation of charge in the cloud. We need not to be afraid of lightning, but we have to take care of ourselves, and we have to understand the precaution to protect ourselves from these deadly sparks. Okay, so first of all we will study that how actually it was discovered that this lightning is because of the charge. Okay, because you know that the earlier people was thinking like that sometimes the god is seeing us, that's why this lightning is coming out. But actually now we all understood that because of the charge, because of these opposite charge and positive charge, negative charges are there, they attract each other, they repel each other, that's why the lightning occurs. We know now. Okay, so first of all we will study about the history actually. Okay, how the light sparks produce. The ancient Greeks knew as early as 600 BC that when amber was rubbed with fur, it attract light objects such as hair. You might have seen that when you take off woolen or a a polyester cloth, your hair stands on it on end. Nowadays you have seen, these are the winter days. Sometimes what happen when we are coming from the daytime, and when we are opening our woolen sweater, what do you notice? You saw that sometimes a crackling sound comes, okay, because you know that this woolen sweater, because of this woolen sweater, our charge is producing, and this charge is attracting our hairs also, and different kind of crackling sound is produces. And sometimes what we are doing, we are just, we all are doing a activity like, we are taking a comb, we are just rubbing this comb with our hair, and when we are bringing this hair comb with the small bits of the paper, you saw that the paper gets attracted towards the comb, you know. Or different kind of scale you can use, that you just rub the scale, plastic scale, with your hand, and just take up small bits of papers near to that scale, and slowly and gradually you saw that the small bits of the papers get attracted towards the comb, okay. So why? Because you know that the comb, when you are rubbing something, a different kind of charge is produced, and when charge is produced, it was attracting the different kind of charge also, okay. So that's why this is happening, okay. So if you take care of these clothes in the dark, you even see the spark and hear a crackling sound, okay. In 1752, Benjamin Franklin, an American scientist, showed that lightning and the spark from your clothes are essentially the same phenomena. However, it took 2,000 years to realize occur, ठीक है. तो किसने ये concept दिया? That is the Benjamin Franklin, जो who explain actually कि that is producing because of the different kind of charge, okay. So to understand this chapter, what we are going to do, we will do a lot of activity, ठीक है. Whenever our live class will be there, I will show you the activity what you have to do, ठीक है. Now see this, for this activity what you are going to do, you will take a plastic refill, or you can take a plastic comb, or plastic scale, ठीक है. Anything you have at home, do take it and just rub that with your hairs, ठीक है. And take small papers on the table, and after rubbing these, after rubbing your scale, your comb, or your refill, whatever you have, just bring this charge refill near to the bits of the paper. What do you observe? Definitely you see that this refill will attract small papers towards itself, ठीक है. You can see that a scale attract these particles, these small bits of the paper towards itself, okay. So you can see that when you are rubbing something, it means a charge is producing, a charge is developing there, ठीक है. So this is because of the charge, ठीक है. तो that's why we are calling them a charge object, ठीक है. अब now here you can see this is the 15.1 table. What you have to do, you have to take object like refill, a balloon if you have, eraser, steel spoon, whatever you have, all these 3 or 4 things will be possible, everything is in your home, take them, ठीक है. Now what you have to do, you have to material use for rubbing, आपको पॉलीथीन लेना है, वुलन क्लोथ या ड्राई हेयर, समथिंग कुछ भी लीजिए, एंड जस्ट रब दिस पॉलीथीन, ठीक है. पॉलीथीन, रब दिस रिफिल विद द पॉलीथीन, रब दिस रिफिल विद द वुलन क्लोथ, एंड जस्ट ब्रिंग इट टू द नियर टू द अनदर वन रिफिल और अनदर बलून और अनदर इरेजर. डू डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज रिलेटेड टू दैट, एंड देन फाइंड कि ये अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है, अट्रैक्ट द पीस ऑफ पेपर, क्या पीस ऑफ पेपर को उसने अट्रैक्ट किया या नहीं किया, ठीक है. या रिफिल ने रिफिल को अट्रैक्ट किया या नहीं किया. यू हैव टू सी एवरीथिंग, ठीक है. डू योर observation, record your observation there. Whenever our live class will be there, I will show you the activity and I will tell you the answer कि what actually will happen, ठीक है. Till then you will write the answer कि what actually happened when you did that activity at your home. Clear? Now again I'm telling it to you. See, this is the another one activity, ठीक है. What you have to do, you have to take 2 balloons and hang them in with a normal wire or the wool in the on the wall, and just rub this balloon with the hair and just leave it like that, ठीक है. See that is that balloons are attracting themselves or is that balloons are repelling each other, ठीक है. फिर आप क्या करिए, balloon के near just rub the charge refill and just bring refill, or just take the papers. Are the balloons attracting the papers or not, ठीक है. You have to do this activity, and after that doing this activity you will get 2 points to observation. The one is the charge particles. Okay, so whenever we are talking about the charge, there are two kind of charges developed. One is the positive charge, another one is the negative charge. Okay, so whenever the same kind of charge are coming to coming near to each other, they started repelling each other. Okay, and when two different charges are coming to each other, they start attracting the things. Okay, so this is the observation when you did this activity. A charge balloon repelled a charge balloon. Okay, so when you see this activity, when you rub both the balloons with your hairs, and when you left them near to each other, then you see that both are started repelling each other because they developed the same kind of charge. And when same kind of charge is developed, they definitely started repelling each other. Clear? Same, a charge riffle repelled a charge riffle. Same kind of charge repelled each other. But a charge balloon attract a charge riffle, because you know that when you rub the riffle, it gets different kind of charge. When you rub the balloon, it get different kind of charge. So when two different kind of charges develop between two different objects, so two different charge are going to attract each other. Okay, so like in magnet you studied now, like north and north pole are repelling each other, north and southern pole are attracting each other. The same kind of phenomena happen on the charges also. Same charges repelling and different charges are attracting each other. ठीक है, so आज आपको इतना पढ़ना है अच्छे से. And then you have to do this question and answer में what you have to do, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, 4 के आंसर्स आप करेंगे. ठीक है, लाइक विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन नॉट बी चार्ज इजिली बाय फ्रिक्शन. तो एज यू नो द आंसर विल बी अ कॉपर रॉड. ठीक है, प्लास्टिक रॉड कैन बी, इन्फ्लेटेड बैलून कैन बी, अ वुलन क्लोथ कैन बी. ठीक है, अ कॉपर रॉड विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दैट. सेकेंड, when a glass rod is rubbed with a piece of silk cloth, the rod. ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या होगा एंड कैसे चार्ज डेवलप्ड होगा? पॉजिटिव चार्ज डेवलप्ड होगा, नेगेटिव चार्ज डेवलप्ड होगा, या दोनों में पॉजिटिव होगा या दोनों में नेगेटिव होगा? यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर. ठीक है, सेम ऐसे ट्रू फॉल्स है, आपको देख लेना है कि लाइक चार्जेस एक दूसरे को रिपल कर रहे हैं, अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, वट एवर इट विल बी. ठीक है, ट्रू फॉल्स में यू हैव टू टेल द आंसर. तो फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड एंड थर्ड एंड फोर्थ क्वेश्चन यू विल डू इट टुडे. ठीक है, देन आई विल टेल यू द आंसर ऑफ दीज 4 क्वेश्चन इन द स्क्रीनशॉट टू यू. ठीक है, डू इट एंड रीड दिस चैप्टर टिल दैट, एंड लेट्स मीट ऑन ट्यूजडे एंड वेडनेसडे live class. We will do some activities related to that. This is the answer. I will send you the screenshot of this also. Okay, till then, take care.